Good morning, my dear little juniors. How are you all? I am your Sheetal teacher. As children, we have learned all the alphabets till P. Okay, so today we are going to learn further alphabet, that is letter Q. What we are going to learn? Letter Q. We are going to learn how to write letter Q, the sound of letter Q, and the words start with letter Q. So let's start. This is letter Q. This is the uppercase Q. This is the lowercase q. This is capital letter. This is small letter q. Okay. So I will write and show you how to write letter q. So this is letter q, and the sound of letter q is, children, quack, quack. You have to say the sound like this, quack. And the words start with letter q are, children, q for queen, q for quilt, q for quill. Q for queen. Queen means a Rani, the wife of a king is called queen. Yes, children? The quilt and the quill. Okay, the feathers, you have seen feathers. The feathers of the bird, that is called a quill. Okay. So, today we are going to learn how to write letter Q. First, we will do the activity of underlining the letter Q like this. We are learning letter Q, so I have seen over here small letter Q I am underlining here. Here. All this start with letter Q. Okay, children? So, first we are going to learn how to write capital letter Q. So, you have learned letter O. So, you have to write letter O from red line to blue line से O बनाना है. And from here, you have to do a small slanting line. It becomes letter Q. What becomes letter Q? This is capital letter Q. One more time. Circle. O means you have to write. And from here, one slanting line. It becomes letter Q. O slanting line. Okay, it becomes letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Yes, children? So this is letter Q. Can you see? Or you have to write and you have to just put a slanting line. It's very simple. And how we are going to write small letter Q, children? Whenever you write it small letter, you have to write in a blue line. Yes? So you have to do curve like this. It becomes letter Q. This is lowercase q. Like this. From blue line to blue line, you have to do curve and then slanting line, take it down to the red line. Q. Okay? Like this. Curve, standing line, slanting line. Okay, now we'll do right together. Write O, slanting line, okay? And curve, come down and go up. It becomes letter Q. Write O, slanting line, curve, standing line, and curve. It becomes letter Q. So today we have learned how to write letter Q. The sound is quack, quack. And Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q for quill. Okay, all these words start with letter Q. One more time. And whenever you write, children, O, don't do like this or don't do straight line. The line should be slanting line. यहाँ से ही line होना चाहिए. सीधा cross. No, this is the wrong way to write. You have to do like this only. This is the right way to write the letter Q. Okay, children? And whenever you write a small, write a line and don't do like this. This is also wrong. Curve, standing line, and from here a short slanting line. So this becomes letter Q. Okay. So please, children, do practice at home of letter Q and share me your videos and photos with me. Okay. Till then, bye. Take care.